JPAC ikenshin JPAC ike kweshiri ime exam and I cover it up. JPAC, when are you coming? Can the doctor ga make exam unikegi? That is where the bone of contention lies. Can we get bien? Kagamoni to lege. Can we get bien? We need to examine ikega. Can we get built to like need to examine? That is the bone of contention. You are not koeri. That's the architect of the whole problem. Can we get bien a little to lege? You accepted it wholeheartedly. It could go the shimmy. It could go any the contact ya call roya. I'm not gonna stop this rubbish. JPAC told me he can't contacts. JPAC told me that Otule any contacts. I been gonna query. Can match is on Kagame. Draw the necessary question. JPAC or to like contacts or who to like. Now say I bet damn make will. Yes, I will ask this question until I got answer. Or to like contact or not. Now I get content creator. Now this blew up. But Emanyeba Gamanyeba. Or now I get Nana Brahman that is creating content. And I query. Let's watch this moron dry meat frustrated rabbit digger. This frustrated rabbit digger, jobless man that lost common chairmanship, and they susware. This rabbit digger, no, every time jobless man, every time I put any man so can't you go and look for a job? I can never enter. I'm talking to you now. I can no go bala. Go and do now. Hold on, let me block this Zoom. Oh yeah, shinga form. Get out. Go to Gobala. I could mount in that place. Every day, put a gun around. Go there. Rabbit digger like you. Jobless he goes. I can on Nigeria. There's no need of telling me I could come back to Nigeria. I don't need to come back to Nigeria. The main problem, I can on Nigeria. Go and fight your fellow man. I just like come back to Nigeria. Come back to Nigeria. Can you get to Nigeria? Go and also with your fellow man. Come back to Nigeria. You know Ogechi Njaka because I'm in America. Oh, you know Ogechi Njaka. Nothing more, nothing less. No, and I don't need to have a job. Even if in America, I don't need to have a job to live a good life. And they don't bomb me where I know they come back. On here, about born where I don't here America. And the here can go on and they don't bomb me well. Now yeah, they and then here I go there, they give up to me. They don't bomb me well. I'm not well. I'm well. They don't bomb me well. This rabbit digger, this lost and found frustrated he goes. Yeah, let me block you. A shower is not supposed to mention on my platform. Let me block you here. I want to grade by grades. This is not a place you can mention a nobody. Cannot reply to when Yamaga hire as made. Come on, fuck off from your son. Comment rubbish can block you, nigga. A rabbit digger. Man, I could not I pay for ya. Natanun kata. Adachanushi, Abanon Ketebeken. Every time I can get it. Return from Abuja. It's in Abuja with a contract in Abuja. He just want a shower. And when I say pass to hire a shower, I got a shower. Yo. Go and also your fellow man. Every time I can get and on my Jordan page, I couldn't follow them there. Follow them there back. I'm not report from above it here. Share the program. You want to go? Every time I get to come back to Nigeria, una day there. I could wait to una pangwe. I could arrest on a second Jesus. I could wait see the gift on Pepe. Una no one go carry him. But when they follow my second page, you Because I know maybe a mega page, maybe mega life una no follow. Make una follow that page. I know see una there at the bottom of there. That's why I have too many pages. Because when a man get me life, I can't log in anymore. What the go? Look at this hungry rabbit digger every time. Yana rante. Can't think that how the same go about and soon na Koka. Can you get title of bringing development to a place enough for how many years couldn't get development? Is it not the same place? They do working Peggy going on Kukula JPAC. Is that why you guys are cancelling this exam? Is it not the same JPAC that gave us hope? Now, China, now ready to open IKEA. That is my first evidence. I be to that place. Remember the evidence. Every time I will come and dig you, he says something. Yes, I'm here when I come also. I will be disgracing all of you. Ndala, bunch of fools, useless men are busy. Look at our Konona handle. Business that worth billions of naira. Contracts that worth billions of naira. Abuja could not save you to win common chairman election. Get the chairman who Senator Kijerime. Yeah? Follow them that page. I have come no before to put on that side. So follow them that page. Jamela magabe leak. I may click link here. Cause eba come na a nigga eba hare ya aba fe haba fe report where they couldn't allow me to log in there again. Dala, bunch of losers. And now, Koyeri, maybe they listen to you.
Just after this video, if this does not happen, I challenge 1,000 of my followers to stop following me. In fact, 5,000 of you should stop. Topic continues. It seems as if it is fading away. No. We want to add more petrol to you.
And when no petrol, now you will go live in agony for the rest of your life. Okay, I go to my work, I do my job, I come back home. When I'm busy, I don't have time. When I'm less busy, my penny unuya. Hello, Madi Munegi. Oya, Otilo. When I'm busy, when I'm less busy, my penny I'm not less busy. Anywhere I did, you that is jobless, put a there is nothing that will stop me in a call defense mechanism. I do not send nobody, including cannot send them. No, I'm deciding I'm deciding I quite a big opinion on that link, that Classio Spot opinion and a campaign. It does not matter. But I only to aya. Anyhow you carry and come, when go give it to you. You rabbit digger. Ogweyi dekake. Kanga tojo. One she. I'm 20,000 naira impulse. A very poor dry oboroko like you. Who kill my action? I go my chakotula. A low class budget. Everybody kuka. And you see to one na Gloria Patana Makana Mariko, na Marika's family ni moko. I will go to court. But that be a proof what you have achieved came in on this blew up. Every time you need to I will never enter and go. What keep begging and I go say she can walk the koba. Every time I put an Makana with your follow job bless me and one corner. Now Malila will I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. Look at you. Every time Gamalina Mali look you got dry cha. When my bamu gig dry ya. When my bamu gig try ya to an extent. ile isha JPAC doroge while JPAC ka get fresh or wo spam abu JPAC otula. Let me tell you one thing. Ya wo spam abu JPAC otula me lo refresher than you. When them put otula ke gi woroma cause spam because you need it. If una ma ho yiri ya wo mo spam ha we yi mu otula me lo jide mo sumuta than you. Jahi otula ke gi because you want korun. Because you are dragging and shrinking. Bahuna guru. Jahe kegi. Chunaka pogono, you a useless man. Akunana begi. Share this video, click love and like because they will soon come for this world. Because share. Don't hesitate to share. Now share. Now share. We continue. What you go try? Oh, Lepala Monagi. Only lose anything in this game now. In fact, go money talk along with you. Keep on sharing. Of course, now our content. Haven't you seen where JPAC is wearing red pants? Can you more content? Oh, who be JPAC now? Oh, but the last man in pants. Why are they showing pants? It's like I saw a video where you're telling a young man to show. And when I'm in home. Why JPAC is so pantagani imo here? Iga huta chineke bo one no kun. Iga hu pepe JPAC is so pante. Agaga ima here. So pante na de so panke pente. Amu ya dokoro ka amu kofe. Why would amu here dekere? Oh mu keep here where amu po pay you tula. Yeah? And I carry ahne na everything. But okay, but JPAC and my but last man Njaka bo we hoto. When I want to see that one. When I want to see that one. Okay, who go get chicken? Content in creating a webo. If you want to get a create content, oh, bonny lost son. Take a bleaching lost, confused, uneducated thoughts. A blue content, idiot and content. Idiot and I doesn't have to pay Jiang because I try to make my account. Idiot and content and will happen. Content secret she pant again case or red again magic ban no assassin one wo o create content no where ndara dolano comment ya mad girl again how jump wala people are contentless but JPAC is panta giga everywhere aquarium wait I'm shigia kashpa na Ogechi na make up story chere wait can who red panty JPAC Dala, bunch of useless things. Cherry? Guys, click love and like you. Let's watch red panty JPAC. Cherry, rebe panty and down on a hand. I make a pinky young too. A drew heju. Chagam ke pinky a hand. The pa, I would JPAC as a panty. Now panty. Now panty JPAC. Idiot! No, I get it. I will JPAC and a panty. I will here. Is it not JPAC? JPAC or Ponene Suru? I'm a garega. I got to say, a man, you put here, a man, you put a round. Okay, to ship, but to take a volunteer. Let me get red. Walk out just red pants. Walk out just red. Walk out just red pants. My shaka. What when you don't like men are red? What seduce men the most? Is it not red color? Don't fool me. I am too learned. Nobody will tell me bullshit. I know colors that are meant for men and colors that are meant for women. When you red lipstick, as red pant, as red bra, what is this signify? Or signify it again? I know you guys are not learned. When I came in here, but I'm a June, go and make research. Red on a peliam, on a peliam. JPAC or Surapante, Megagan, if I may ask you. Surapante, Paraba red. What does this signify? This is not content that Akabara this thing. Akabara this thing, Tondama one. Akabara Repante. Have you seen a full grown Asibo man? Potana, blue red bag. Agaga. Ono shimu examine shit JPAC jele any cannot not the whole possible. Not the whole possible. Get him an OG. Shit when I get a panty, I go stop it. Maybe you guys don't know colors that meant to seduce men. Yahu chapan to gas yasuru pink is red. But red and pink organic. Red and pink organic. Blue generale. Blue generale. Blue generale. Onyo woman, I'm soya, insupante. Insoya. No, I got you say mother, but I got you say mother, but yet I got you say mother, but in a moment, but all after saying you go and marry a show, still participated yourself. What put out to Nagi? Repent for love, thank you, Chacha, my sister. Repent for a red candle, red pants, red blood, red bag, red lipstick, or signify again. Una bana koroma jambele chideke bo kan no kun gina ex-convict ya would, like I said, ya wuruma ojere a dry oboroko ya wuruma chore collect ma leba hu JPAC when about obaga buba what to get him na hu nwan ja refresh because of spam pa we la hanima ho. That is why one are pocontolicious. Yes, oh, he renew our body or to learn well organized. When you learn to learn oshishi, in fact, I will not know pagan deck hand. That brought one in and on but you pona. When you learn oshishi and when you up again, what are you enjoying in your fellow man's body? And I know day or to know day, yari ambition. Where are ya? Parano STD, HIV no apart from but when I am. Because it's not good to look. Simple. Don't you know Wabu this life? Who are you guys deceiving? Don't you know Wabu? I got you. I'll be packing you. If I pack you, you come. Red color attracts men. Lipstick red. Candle red. Bra red, red bag, red laundry. Get let you cast red. I give my over. I give through here. Para. Chireke one knock. If you guys don't see anything wrong with this, you name it white, you name it blue. Why are you fucking with pink and red? You know, come another. I get to say, no, Kegizara, sit event, ya can't have me. Oh, 1 year, Chihaka, volunteer, I'm a case of here. Ono Bereco, content critical women. Content critical women. But they are the one participating now. Content that I'm creating for my lovely self. Name him. As they not practice intentionally now, but we had your talk. And I will get ya. But then a leg some otula. Yeah, what problem? Who are gagi him otula? Because you are the one that said that contact. Only the way you contact creator. You couldn't deceive you. Content creator when contact how manage it is we are wise, we are not daft. I know some daft and some idiot people are following you, but Ogechi is not that daft. Put all the dots together and make sense out of everything I'm saying. I didn't just say it. In capital today, next person, in this escon, this dry oboroko, agbarange, ba hugijere and yarom prampo, George JPAC, the spam, unda hejeme, ayare pokre. Let me listen to this escon on our query.
To add more petrol to you right now. Although that time JPAC was saying things to you, what did you say? Are you just saying?
Escon. That thing is JPAC baragisham karakaya because I got me pukem kara. Because JPAC baramukan kara. Also, rabbit digger. That time, JPAC baragiko kempuru. Puta be a man up. That boya. You got to man up. Biaka kenkara. Yes, I say something, am I denying it? But we go get shigin on after. That thing in Mamkuru, that say, I want you to open your own filter mouth and say it. You must say it yourself.
Are you just a listener? All those you said this, said that, said this. So why these things you are being said? We are not as
guys, they are reporting my video because share Ramoya. Click love and like. That's why you see all these things happening. They are reporting my video because share because I don't know why Uchu and Umeha had they make video will not come there. They will just be reporting my own. Amado Hamabuo, this rabbit digger.
Somebody who has everyone's nude picture.
Are you not a member in the group where women submit their nude? Are you not a member of this place where women submit their nude? Are you not their member? I will deal with the patron. Are you not the patron inside this group? Or are you not? Didn't you comment in their group? Are you not in their group? You rabbit digger that dig your holes. Are you not there? Those are showers who know how what less. Now let me educate you one thing you don't understand. I remember when I was doing my clinical, right? Here JMA experiment was and also skeletons. Or here JMA experiments. Right? You cannot use a lively human being, the other way, Jinamo, or these bones, in the body. Now I'm frontal, now I'm occipital, now I'm occipital, now I'm different part of body, now I'm all bones. No, now, let me tell you one thing you don't understand. As it is now, Jiggy Shogun, it's obvious you aren't. Yes, I'm not working. Oh yeah, Otila, I'm not working. Fuck off from this place. You want to go? So
as the one who controls everyone.
Now listen. Deceive her because they are useless like men like you. A place where is a public place. Outside. I just want you to understand this. As far as those are showers, may have a public teacher with their naked body. Nobody. I don't give a fuck who the whole thing affects. As far as a full grown ass useless hopeless man like you and JPAC, none of the group ever deceive women can have to 30 to 40,000. God participate in that group. What a founder with a patron. In a one, got one child with that your try ammo. I got those videos to teach responsible girls in no comment here now. So they will learn from the hopeless ones. Did you get what I said? Aging all their author because you guys made it possible to my reach. I'm in the house. I'm not their family member. I'm not their papa. I'm not their mama. If provide the remu as an instrument is what I'm using to teach responsible one to be mindful of creditors like you all. Did you get it? So as far as in a group, una manufacture autonomy in the name of poverty rate in Nigeria. Ununya 30,000. Uno show how be a challenge, right? My mission is to use those ones who are available to be teaching responsible ones who know here. I don't care the sentiment how you guys want to bend the whole thing. It's none of my goddamn business. It's none of my goddamn business. You know why? And when they made it available for us. You guys deceived them. You guys manipulated them stupidly. They gave it to everybody assistance now. All who made people who go to her. Did you get it? So saying that every woman that Ogechi that has every woman nude, a woman their mother, a saname who boy, a woman their relative. How did these things get to Ogechi? That should be a wise woman and a wise man thinking of asking a good question. Can them force from in the house? Did I know this idiot who know my love for not a group? Wow, this one a WhatsApp group. Guys, watch. This is a WhatsApp group where they are sharing women nude as a cake. Oh, they did not force them. And that is why I am. What? So, are they now angry that Ogechi is using it to teach him the gamma here? And I'm okay. Why are you guys now pissed? You didn't force them, and the thing get to my reach. How is that your problem now? That they use Gamiya to teach in the mind here. They, excuse me, you want to defend it, right? So why are you guys angry here now? Why are you guys looking for cover up? Why are you guys looking for cover up? I'm asking. Okay, my first want to share their own upload to everybody. Don't get in what's up? Why are you watching it? You see? You see how it is? You will regret this trouble. Come on, fuck off for Shinga for it. Come on, Shinga for. Take it again. Useless, hopeless man. He can't defend it anymore. Now, Abella. You see why level Unuji the poor, very poor. You are no longer defending a force or her force. Now, Ogala's threat to threats. You see? You see why you guys are so useless? Now, Ogala's threat to threats. You're no longer defending it. Now he has become Ogechi, Igemeka, Agemegika. You're no longer defending it because you know you cannot defend your stupidity. Yeah, that church when you want a church Egypt miserable here now. Now, Escom. Anamajugo. As you a patron of this place. As you a patron of this place. Unu job one may sacrifice. Unu gadarana this place. The architect of Iru one. As you are a pioneer. Of this particular place, I ask you, why did you deceive women to this extent to be showing their private parts at this place? Yes, I talk too much and you listen too much. To go this is where JPAC and the ex-convicts belong, and you should know they are not supposed to be an ambassador to any company. Yes, they are not worthy to represent anything good because they are dense. Who are they puya with my futures? Group now who need to join me. Neke woman wani escort go jo to anaga hu bora ba shower boroge foroni. Is it godly? Una ga do mu wani ka ha na agbaru na oto. Una na agbaru na oto. Is it something a responsible man should do? Has a video. It should be this thing done. And this is the Nigerian girl Sunu. These are Toron and Dotuya. These are true. This dry fucked up loser who has come. Ogechi na mji autonomy nine. What can he convince here higher rumor? Iman want followers everywhere. Iman want followers if I'm don't be surprised that one day I shall wake up all my followers yes time okay. Don't be surprised. I'm going to followers everywhere. You used to be my follower. So why do you think I shall wake up all this night I my follower? You used to be my all of you from A to Z used to be on that queen. So why do you think I shall wake up you are hopeless. I have people everywhere. So the same group I members. About Jezebel, you never see anything. I am worse than Jezebel. Oh no, can I so pruchuku also like don't start building your life in a responsible manner. It surely will give Gapana my territory. Yes, no pekenu, and when followers everywhere. They may get a hana tomato, a man that I'm walking you gig a rumaka. Nesusu, na scatano, Nesusu, I'm channel getting. Now here I did. I am too big for all of you to intimidate. Lie. Oh no, God, that one go scatter on a fence. Eji mojobri. So, how do I Ugana? Ogechi Njaka disorder. Are you guys not the one deceiving hopeless girls? You don't need to tell me where I send the alarm. You don't need to tell me. You should be even glad to have Ipu Queen even give way Ibala. Give way you make a lot of money. All these ones, they are not making money on it because they are worthless women. But in one year they come when you are made for billions you get put on this blue app and when again I got my Makachi. When I free you get them with all money. Whenever you can Kadashi you become a filthy billionaire overnight. Makachi, you know these ones we're gonna 30,000, 2,000, 30,000. 30,000, 5,000, all like so you will tell him as you have it, where ya become a foil. We will take Queen. Hey, come on now, bikini bottom put Facebook will break into two. Bikini bottom you all everywhere. Yeah, they come always a common thing. But to my own putara, who are in a break into 7. On for Igidena. You are one of the richest person now on this blue app. Because everybody post you will click with the money, they will go. They make you go create a website for it. Pay money. You don't need to everything you do money. Now let where as money.
Throws everyone's nude picture and all that.
I get produce
you say with anyone.
I get produce
your brain from getting to the level.
And you should have started recording JPAC immediately.
You don't need to tell me whether a gym record or a gym record. You are too small to find out what I have and what I don't have. Even with the brain, even with the capacity, it is too poor to mimic or to control me. Like him to pain. I rule my world. You get down in a position telling me what to do and what not to do. Violet Queen chicken change or when we have water. That is why energy acquisition in them matter. Common experiment for them to be wise. Ishmael should be recorded. So you expect me to feed you? Eh? Why do you think a movie? Why do you think the actor never die in movie? Why do you think the actor that movie a lot interesting? You keep guessing what will happen. I am a movie script. I want the movie myself. You can guess what will happen. Your mind, you can say, oh, why didn't they here babuya? Why didn't they get babuya? Keep imagining what I should and what I shouldn't. Until the movie will end, you will understand the kind of movie I am playing. Also, Why do you think, oh, this, oh, why are you going to pause here? I am on your mean. Move your continue, Naga. Did you feel it? You are too small to control anything, what I have presented and what I cannot present. It is too small to detect it. Only got control with that it that are pare times 7. I don't know why you Boraya Gana one place. Boraya J to all the deities. Only when an go bala. Because only a brain of his own. You are now running his capacity for him. Capacity for him. Worry about your sister. Watching Dibo. Worry about your generation and don't worry about me. Mama on you when we relate to the moon again. You should not worry about me. Whether I will continue or I will stop should not be your concern. You with a family member, you with a family problem. Go and deal with it and forget Ogechi home. You with a 1,700,000 billion problem. Go and start looking into it and forget about me. How I operate, what I do, young age and old age should not be your fucking concern. Bala.
We will distract you.
Time is showing where distraction. Part of my content was saga. You can't distract nothing. You are the jobless idiot that we keep giving BP. Escon or you Jakanike. That is who you are. I will keep refreshing people memory.
Well, let me block some Olodo. Let me suspend all this Olodo. Fake account. You're even using chaplets. Come on, my phone at this page. You Shibawa pack it up. Come on, cut off from here.
Frustrated bitch like you.
Oh yeah.
Also, anything to be na coin you.
Oh yeah, another comment. Another dirty comment now can block all the.
Come on, continue yourselves.
See, if I'm on live section, I've told JPAC this is the best way. Over man on a live section, I want to see how it will pain you. Since fabricating things against people is very, very good and sweet, you come to my live section, for example, now you insult me, call me an ex-convict even when I did nothing to you, even when such thing never took place, and I go silently. You were ex-con, and I want to create with day. You were ex-con and you was convicted. Now I'm worried about you too because you are fucked up. Only when a 1 million problem in your household, you should be worried about yourself, not about me. You can't be worried about Onekagema. Onekage no a good country. Onekage we shibon. Onekage we go. Onekage we mo. You should be worried about yourself. Worry about the things you're bothering because Ogechi, you should be worried about. You only got the worry the Onekama. That is who you should be worried about, not Onekagema in all ramifications. Worry about you. Take your picture, right? Screenshot your comment first, keep it, and now bring your picture. Go and produce. Maybe make your picture go viral and tag you HIV positive. Ordinary that one. It was. All of you have been grouping joining, have been tagging children of HIV. Are you not seeing it? Can't you condemn it? Group have been tagging children, rest in peace. Have been carrying children to Dubotu. Nebuha. Oh, we not watch you. We not where woman life with Tika. Are you not their member? We not have Fuya. Amado Haneli Kuburuki. These are played on Blue App, which you are the member. And whatever Shirio Koko, Tine, wherever Mado, what their picture was, where Puputosu Alili Buputa Igweosu. Are you not their member? Have you ever come and condemn such? Metonda Bob Wogi. Is it not the same people na target people rest in peace and the HIV? Or we na ha and when I rokoru na pa in a kinyo. Are they not the same idiots that share your videos? Or we na ha get their commenting? Don't you see them? Are we now innocent children? I will watch shock kotiga na she you know they see
amado ha kubu ko onye useless kubu kwa ge.
See how you feel and start posting it on this page. Or run a live program, tag you something. Rubbish.
We don't give a fuck. And when he was game today, maybe this blew up. And we anything. Yes. All more than. Is it true that yes, more than 4? But at least one I can be with my man. 2 more Dicken, 2 more Calesia. Even also come today, if I leave this one, I go remarry again. Keka chanjo wa choge na diwe kena loga uruzie public ashawo. That one is the worst. As it is, Alu going 4. Nonelu 5. Can't breathe with a man. Onanu muwoke wa aluaria. Or wunanu muwoke wa aluaria. Can't, what man can do, woman can do better. At least I'm not umbaneba. Call arame mama hajie ya domain. Awe dara we. Call arame mama hajie ya domain. You are right. I'm 4. Nonelu 5. Yes, Ako is my next husband. Nothing wrong with our car. We marry Manwoke. Ojinego, Remma. And ile jia ile nwokanya iga mashi akopa something. Only kopa kwa muku. So everything is okay. Akwara again, nge na kungurage. Ide la akwa na ishigi mini. Are you not? Because before you start suggesting akutumi, enwe na he hono na hoya. Enwe he hono na hoya. There is something in hono na hoya. Oje pegage. Elela miya. Monitor ya. Gile ya. Ashe eje janya karaka. Amoka karaka. Elela miya. Husho oge budi him like it. So any day, man ha lusika me wure ya. To tell you that every minute things are available for me. I wouldn't done a true fu. I try another one. I quarter again mage booze or suggest a man me. I quarter again ma. Aye. Wono Eziokwu no. Dala.
On the internet, let me see how you feel. But you support abnormality.
Then look at the father of supporting abnormality. Look at the father of Aru. A man who drinks and dwells in Aru is talking about abnormality. Look at Amusu who dwell in Aru, who drink and feed, who associate in Aru is talking about abnormality. Me tonda babuogi. Imagine you, Amusu like you. Watch it where follow woman with it now. Shiri okoko. Me ritual with one mato. Tiga boyo kun. Bukere na nketibia. National one ga. We're different people, their children. And you are their member. And you have not spoken ill against it. May you never live to see anything good. May your children be buried alive. May your children with such ritual. Amusu. Evil that men do, live with them, only live with you, and it will surely catch up with you. It's just a matter of time. Amusu.
The next 5 years, I'm not going to allow you to shut up your mouth. I'll be giving you worse things to say.
And I'm not going to allow you to be reasonable like your fellow man. I'm not going to allow you to be reasonable like your fellow men. Because men are billions of naira projects. I'm a mihene wegi, you're not among. I'm a mihene megi, you're not among. Anna progingly no. Imagine the money you'll be getting from that project now. Imagine the commission you'll be getting. Billions of naira. It pains. I can understand. Kona di Ugogbe mbodo waya furu. I can understand the Kona do Ugogbe mbodo waya furu. Otero na adere ya easy. The thing they give you woto. Let's see again when we want this blew up. Or we will eki. But as far as no Ogechi leave it. Ima and they man woman no say ruwa ka no mnachi. Oh yeah, nka hu na that one they enter you, they enter you what. Because all of you feel like nobody will come out and challenge you on an arrow. And when you got put that challenge on an arrow, every time Zion, every time Ebukobi, every time Echo, every time Zion, every time Ebukobi, every time Echo. Oh, problem unu. Now when somebody she not possible. Yes, Ebukobi, Echo, Zion, Ebukobi, Echo, Zion. Unu. Ajukunu. Move on. Keshagagi move ni. Owele coming back. Like I normally tell you, Pikin we say mama no go sleep. No go sleep. Any day up on my followers, I don't know. Because I don't follow you and when him jigame. All people but I'm about to be a video. And that is why I'm responding to you. And do you know I'm too busy to follow any page? Too fucking busy. Also, look at how you just two page akokabiri akochiochi that monitor akwa comment ya that monitor even comment you they talk say I saw where I commented. You monitor this guy with your bitterness. A guy when not the even a guy we don't block you for everywhere. Block you. What's up? Block you everywhere. Delete your own. Still no one breathe, no one leave him alone. Can you not turn back? What can you do so special about Kono? Escon, can you hear this special about Zion ministry na Kono? Or how to ban Megi? Or your father na church? Move on. Friendship did not work. Kawa, but you have found new people now. Oh yana he nyegi hakuna nyegi. Oh, for Managishla, Ogechi is controlling Aka. Okay, yes, somebody got Delilah control Samson what he can. Women not control men. Men are not channel own wine not control. If you don't know, go and find out. Maybe read your 7th book of the world that supernatural the earth. Women. Oh, hey, many Abarom wine are very powerful than in Kenwoke. We control this earth. So if you believe that I'm controlling, I could deal with it. No problem. Deal with it. Ogechi gabagewa. Ogechi gabagewa. Ogechi gabagewa. Ogechi gabagewa. Ogechi gabagewa. Ogechi gabagewa. Uneshila una bangaleba. Ogechi gabagewa. Ogechi abakolagewa. Okay, be careful. Next one is Ebukobi. Next one is Ako. Next we push uneshipe. Unusheba, you know enter. Una come here, you know enter. Una come here. Okay, I could be you are next in line. After JPAC, Aki you are next. Aka, be careful. Ogechi, Ogechi, Ogechi. Hapuzienu. Mwakumuna ebidona no na eletiani. Hapodo. Hapuzienu unu pito. As far as Obitobe, don't worry about it until the thing is said. For now, we say it be. Don't worry about it. Here may exist. For now, we say it be. Until the day we say it. Hey, I'm watching you too. The day back again at JPAC again say it. Am I saying it now? No, because I'm not get it or get it. But am I worried about it now? No. I should worry about another thing, not that again I go tisa. You want to go? Deal with it.
I'll be giving you things to say now.
Story.
If you are too busy in the United States, you will not on camera every now and then and start ranting. If anybody is jobless, is you.
Wait, the same person imbecile that's supposed to be busy with my imbecile cakes. So now I am not busy anymore. So America, that you have to secure your time, how to manage it. You that ain't work on. Thank God I go to work. When I wear my uniform, I go to work. I relax. When I'm here. Good. You that is a man that's supposed to be fetching around, do now hustle, no running my business. If there is no onubeke, if there is gay, if question of somewhere, I will motor pass, I will pure water, I will granola, I will sugar, but no, you are busy monitoring our comment, monitoring where Taku said about Ogechi one Ibuamo. Monitoring I could say that if Ogechi come back to Nigeria, what nothing will happen. Monitoring that if I can say that is a lie. In that heaven will fall. Ogechi try it. Come to Nigeria. Why are you so miserable? Why are you so miserable? Why? Hello? Why?
If anybody is idle, it should be you.
Oh. But wait, though. I know many hands. You know, I'm on the time. So how we idle? Oh, say you know they watch me, but still they watch me. You are the one that crying 24/7. You are doing well. JPAC should not respond. See how useless you have become. You are hopeless. You are the most jobless human being I have ever seen. That's wrong. JPAC and one year make content. Wrong one guy he eat over na to the one yellow. What put tire why am I content? Every when I call. You see, my husband is busy. He has gone to work to save lives. Very soon now, in short period of time on Amaga, to do my thing as well. Go to work. Okay, you stop. Come on to the Shingafa. Come on, Shingafa. You want to go? You are so hopeless.
And those people watching you, those people hailing you, cheering you up, they are not doing better to you.
Also, those idiots, those jobless men in a courtroom, associates. Those men in a room has your life and direct. Those useless shower women, those prostitutes. Those women that are putting our children life and direct, are they helping you? Are they not the one that say, hey, if I know about Ogechi, they will kill Ogechi after burial? Hey, our savior, this time around, Ogechi Tola. But are they not making you more hopeless than before? Are they not uselessing your hopelessness? Forget about, I don't know why you guys are so particular about my followers. JPAC Ekuela, Yakosumaha, Gekwe. Am I worried about this useless atoll that are jobless? Majority of them are deported. They are nothing to write. They are scammers, 419ers, hopeless idiots that has nothing whatsoever that to cook up stories and look for people who go dash the money. Hopelessness again had with the same. Jobless, hopeless, single, and ashawonistic people, and we have nothing to write home about. Idiots that cannot amount to rubbish. Are they doing good to you? And I'm asking you hopeless man. Those deportees in the hell in Abuja, go and meet him because all the jobless like you are. No reasonable, responsible man can associate with a look and lunatic like
They know you are mad.
And they know you are an escort. And they know you are just a man who ran without no action. Akonanabunu. Akuizingobala. Na tanshi. Ashima will be my own issue. You know I'm not coming to Nigeria. Can't she then go about like no shit? I can't buy my tag the shinishi. Mepim Tapu Piagi. Can
Rugi chef wogi because nobody will ask after you. Mepem go there gamaka otaisha agaka iane push yaka iye who protein ni me. Go and show your one power. Go and show your man power. Isusu. Appear is long in a rant too. You talk without in a rant too much. You are just hopeless and onuga. Hey, we will take it to court. I will take it to court. They rigged the election because when I try with the document, you want the government in Nigeria. I cannot enter Gobala. Many mounts. I couldn't Gobala. They doing thing. Ishila mushirigike. Ishila fwana get phone in energy and ho show. Go there. Go try them now. Miracle, my mom is from where I'm from in Navio. I'm not from where actually. Everybody man Germany. Onion for life. Why my followers become a torment to the skin? I thought you gonna say everybody hates me. I thought you gonna say nobody they follow me again. I thought you gonna say Ogechi, nobody they follow you. You don't get followers. You bought your 1 million page. The same 1 million page you want to buy depend on. Where gonna go buy now? Go buy it. If you get the money, go buy it. Go and buy. Ya will not go to Jacob Soya. Then how will I buy? I mean, stuff in my business. Now me buy. If you not like, make una go dig. How many people have changed it? Now, how is that on a wahala? Whether my Soromia 1 naira or 1 yam sur your baruno, fuck all of you. It's not of you, no business. Now here go day. My followers they give on a BP. Ana susu. Una we be where get genu? Why are you guys still in this fake one where I get? Nobody's listening to you. I'll tell you Chicago. And you're not listening to you. Nobody's listening to you. Nobody's following you. He's all fake. He's a taco. I will tell people, you put a fake bitch. Don't try me. And then Susu. Can you challenge your God? Hey, maybe I get magic. I shower, put on a Facebook. Granny, shut up, one bash. One year guy will come on up on a 1 year will get it. And I will tell people that is for that and shower. I don't know, man, every day. I build a place where your pussy have been carpeted and shared every fucking minute. I shower, man, I shower. I'll go person like you, man. You are the one that gives me money. Then you may go. Oh, yeah, shower. Yes, I don't know. Yeah, shower for a prostitute like you. And I tell you, that uncompleted building can I get every day. She man at that place. Must you locate that place? That uncompleted shower can every day because you are a prostitute. A shower can wo. I built a shower for shower people. And I call you. Every lip and hole are gnashing your elbow. Not gonna leave me. Not gonna leave me. Did you know to put on this blue app? You share it by me. And I get shame. I don't get you get shame. You don't see Ogechi we get shame. You don't see me we get shame. Me when make people they know the shame, but Ogechi get shame. Me when come out shame from many people. Now who's on the shame?
Oh God, I don't suffer. I don't suffer for this life, eh? Hey, a place I built for you. Without you, without Ibuki, that place will not pay. And you are servicing it. The business is moving. And I call it. Now, I don't start to be a in the land of life. How far? I hope I can get all that. I know who's na speaker. Okay, I don't know who go. American number, idiot that go impulse now and America go. Let me get that bastard picture. Yeah, me abaroma ya putara. Abaroma ya putara. Chona hiyo na kweli. Ocha picture baro, ocha picture. Wali kaya baroma yeti picture la profile ya so wacho ko yego ya baroma ya nyi ya fo. Ama mo fo picture. Mo ko na video call baroma ya ko yeti na video call. Ona ti aputa. Chama sanitec na ari harika. That apona. Akole bugobi. Ara achu kare. Government o we go na akata. Zaragi zapo because you know he reason iwu ni iberibe. Otu aka dey zugu take si we baza. Zaragi zapo. Akuza zaragi zapo. As if no go be the only person who come on, man, she's Zuzu Gishinga for so ibu nne remaining 12 days. Come on, Zuzu for. Hey, why I don't know why you like me to notice you. Who is that? One idiot to Neclemo, mommy on the remaining 12 days. Can China dump boy? Remaining 12 days. I think not 4 days. Oh, no, remaining 12 days. Age about from America, Bulatam. Oh, I've just set up 7 days. Nah, from 7 days. Oh, up here. Remaining 12. Yeah, she set it up. Because I can't count on your house from 12 days. Yeah, from here today to that. The Imana, the children are about to tell me block go respect to you. Is again. Which team is coming now? I will add the same team get blatam. Come from a different dimension. Hey, children, Ogechi is a dual citizen. Alisa, why are you explaining? Why you don't? Bono. Una interface with a hush puppy or with a zero gauge. I don't get an hide.
I don't even understand this people. Hospital was hiding still. I want to come.
Emmanuel, they put them block Ogo. After this privilege, you need to give respect to Wegi. But this privilege, you don't allow me to block you. Now I've been ignoring your stupidity.
Is it not?
Don't allow me to block you.
Is insisting this fight.
Continue. It's a conversation.
Okay. I was really satisfied. No, you're just fine. You you're just fine.
I guess you be, man. Hey. I guess you be. Give my sister, you're welcome. Now, putara that's esconvite. I putara and kill you. Okay, cool,
no, here. Why are you
Wilfred, why are you answering that autonomy? I'm my block here. I just need privilege. Go and enjoy my video.
Who is that?
One autonomy Emmanuel senator. Go up senator. Happy. Show me happy.
If Governor Eziokwu it's so obvious right from day one. I said it. This man or somebody not like since you know, a
dry liver, a dry, painful, rejected bastard.
I can't be
Judas book work. I'm gonna give for any dream for because.
So, have you ever seen her to sit down? Because
sorry, jobless. Because he's jobless.
They we have the people. You don't have to create through life on how to solve.
Network you keep failing. Now, mom, what is going on? I've been trying to add people. Change your environment. The thing they keep Facebook is having a lot of issues. I don't know. Even at the point they would
request. Let me tell that click. But I'm more because of Nigeria. I don't know.
How are you? I'm fine. No, Vera, innocent. I'm good, my darling. Can I go in boss? Okay, my love.
We knew exactly what he's doing. He's not a peaceful person.
Hey, Naji Lovette, my love. How are you?
Upworking a platform here. In part video, may analyze. Oh, you know. Nobody will ever not chop peace, then that peace he will not get. All the mistakes, this guy JPAC made, all this man is clear.
I don't know. Only with the controller of JPAC brain. JPAC on the brain. Only level of his reasoning. Only not bomb like this man away. Only got Goku. Yeah, but I watch it back. Hey, what did you say? Somebody that cannot reason. You throw your off balance in a minute. He cannot recover in a second. He is IQ report.
An old man like you. Oh, but can you Facebook?
But Oshuna know in his status.
Yeah, all just talking.
Yeah, when you Oshuna no less 50s. Gaddy, late 50s, Gaddy, okay, that cannot even see where I'm not
young man.
Hey, only the spam pana JPAC to load you refresh your career. Only the
so Ogechi is not and all these videos of Ogechi
they never bring them.
not bring them. At least all over Facebook, he has a clip of Ogechi Njaka.
Thank you.
Demand. So, can you say about the other platforms?
How
come this particular clip with him and
content my content get create ya na ebuaria unu buriziari ya mabalaga my content create onwemo content create onwemo ebuaria asina ha onye echi I'm a criminal
4 hours video mere ha je never they crop to that one. That one you came to start his that time. I cropped to that one. Hey, I'm away on your shit. And most of them were sarcasm. Anyway, they know the truth. So this particular one, don't stand there. That one. Anyway, government was so obvious that this man.
I was like governor on Escon. Governor, you are a woman.
Yeah. And you know, I mean, you carry off like an go ban. Eh, go ban off like a deal. Akurucho otupu na ata nchi na ata amamomba na kesiri ha ka omamu yesiri ha on the way you imagine for Ebuka to entrust that kind of
millions of dollars contracts
project go only the one man go only one man say I want you to be in charge of Ebuka began or Lagos or wherever he is. Is
eyes.
Does that not tell you something? Why are you fighting whom God has
blessed, who God has chosen?
You could be asked for all these men. Imagine how big Zion is. No, you need not. You should have asked yourself, what is it about this man that can put that will put him in front?
You don't hate Ebuka automatically. Your life will be miserable in Zion. It was his choice.
As a person, all because of the Christians how to close their border. Because if they know how to, but even if I go do so, opening internal problem. When you open up, you see that even almost urchins will come in and claim what they are not, and they will be there to cause more fire. Now, actually, they came to the night. There's more fire. Okay, you don't talk. The woman is not exemplary. Ogechi is an independent blogger. She did not start blogging because of Zion. Before Zion, another Zion. She's an independent blogger. Nobody sent a message. Ogechi is not even in Zion. Ogechi was born in Assemblies of God. Or Zoya. But Ogechi is a denomination. At the time, it's not even a church. It's a non-denominational church. Catholic, Anglican. You can come there. So when anybody and I judge, what makes you think you're more qualified
than me?
What makes you think the last day no one get one? You want to do Bible?
How many Ebuka be love me? They know. Farmer. Ondo ya ne way
Zion. And who will not defend Zion?
Oh ya ne way.
And defend Zion in your own way.
How many Ebuka be love Romo?
If I defend the, I wouldn't defend the and say, baby, Ogechi cannot be you. She cannot use your words. She's Ogechi and she has her own pattern of defense. Her own pattern of defense. So can you now? I could not enter Zion. I could not enter Gopala. I could have been in Gopala since how many days now? In Gopala. You want to control ego. You want to control Anna. You want to control everything. What is your problem? I am Governor.
Escano.
Did you hear me?
Governor.
at the beginning of Ilan ahụ mgbe eji meet ndị ichie ewepụta video one ewepụta gị na-egosi ya si na akụ ji wee kwuo ọnụ na ọ bụrụ na Nnamdi Kanu nọ ya na akụ wouldn't have talked like that blah 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 that he doesn't know why the youth did not act na ọ bụrụ na ị na ebe ahụ na akụ nna agwụ ndị na ebe ahụ gịghị eme
how many times ka ọ nọ dị akwa pedo mere gịnị
you're just saying ranta. No move a muscle. What is your problem? Mana ndị nna gị ha na ebe a ndị chief ndị
na-arịọ ka enye akụta title
n'obodo nọ die in their midst ka akụkwuru ihe inu na akụkwuru. They did not find it irritating in their ear.
Chere ọwọ hụbakụ na ngọgbala ihe first time ngọgbala enwetala Ebuka Obi agalaga na CFO of ala niile ọ zụrụ case close go ọ ga-aganata ya governor ganụrụ nga aka na ranting.
Why are you
ranting? Go and show your manpower.
The land is sealed.
Sealed. And with the CFO governor were here in a ranting.
Has I could call you name? Has I could
notice you your fucked up life. I could notice your bitter life.
What are you doing video for him? Go see video since how many months?
That video that time.
So why didn't your chief, your elder, because of Ako? Go. Why?
How put this? Come on, do rabbit
together. Why are you crying more than why are you? You just see how Ako is relaxed on your land. You know Facebook back. I couldn't go back
what anya kpofuma grandpa
with you niggas not son of the style, son of the indigenous. With your own neck, I couldn't paddy. I
am ready for you to JPAC and this ESCON. I'm ready for two of you. That time, this idiot was calling. Come make peace with Ako. This idiot was calling. Ogechi Njaka, game make peace with JPAC. Come on, give me peace with him. This idiot. I don't want these people. I don't want this guy. JPAC was begging Ako, sorry. You all have me because how am I gonna forgive you when because of me can get Ogechi Njaka make a problem? Gawanu make una day there. I don't want to. This guy na outside.
A few days ago, now this man is back again here with an old video. What do you want? JPAC made an apology, which all of us know. Just a few days ago,
Hapugodi can home and outside. The call Ranyama apology inside.
Why?
Gawara no.
Whether I'm fake or this thing, why is this man
so bitter? So bitter.
What is your problem? Goes in any two Zionite people are
just a war, yes, member.
When the church is the position. Position. At this gathering. Only few. No way two Zionite. Because I want you love one, like you love Riga, because they love ya. You like you love, but when you love one like you for real, you like you love, we could love ya. Support only you suppose in that support. For that man to put Ako as his eyes. Because
I am ESCON, I am ESCON.
Yes, I go. Oh, it could be the name of the physical. Oh, nego, name one actually. before okay, take it, and you claim yourself a Zionist, and you're staying staying with people now bash Yako or constitution against Yako, then you're not it will not support this on the medicine. You know, go and open up a page and defend Zion the way you deem fit, and allow Ogechi to defend Zion the way she deem fit, as long as Nana Kantamot about Zion, like Udela Bidro. Obu no bu hako turishi otu akugudene udene na as a blogger. No physical on ground. Plan up policies in there. We all saw how Udene was perambulating everywhere. Abuja who they had to run down to Lagos. Ali Buko be not a criminal. In a way, Buko be criminal.
They were busy sharing Udela page, just about to Udela then. They were busy.
In a looking at the criminal, Ozun negotiate. That thing was the last the camel that broke the straw that broke the camel's back. Is she about the Yako? I could see bow, and I go too much. I could see it. Or grab on a Siputako, Ombelaro, and a Tuesday night, Ghana, Bana, Bashako, or Akohaka. Ule sense. The song got tried, even what I think he came up over the kid. The song got tried, watch. When him and Otiano, you get a great open acone, that is not secondly open acone. I don't want no, you guys will not value him. Value him.
Ale, preach on.
You will Ogechi defend. Ogechi defend the money. Ogechi defend the money. In the passionate on when in whatever.
You got the name go.
On idea over passionate. That is just her way. That is just her life. And she will accumulate even all the enemies because of her defense. That is the way Ogechi defend the money from the previous defense. Before this Mbaka Nyukumaki.
Thank you. Now make carry on for her though.
That page was near now.
Page was here. Now make carry on for her though.
Nobody will carry that one. Ebony son, doing the plan, we have plan na Nime group. JPAC I started thing. Ogechi now sent him. Na this thing now we are just may like overlook. Now people that gave me live program. Because anytime I'm share, people will come. Many people will be interested because of kind of another. Can share a card so that we will tell people that we've caught someone who planned. We've caught someone. Go and listen to that voice note. Okay, that we are going to run a program and expose this simple issue. But so this happen media group that we've caught someone who planned to lay forth as the acquisition Ogechi na Ebuka rape woman or Jima abortion we say about blah blah blah. That was the voice note in response to JPAC Ogechi Obuyariaya. Don't get deceived, go get deceived. Because I knew when that thing happened. Even we were on call. Even JPAC was even explaining how they were planning. Before he wanted to do the live. I give him a life. People need to know the truth.
Thank you.
We need to cluster. We need to cluster people. I can cluster people by card. You have one hand. They couldn't plan on a mail. Not when I show the book and they go this man. Open the book. They couldn't evidence. Go back and listen to that voice note. Anyway, the thing is that only you know Kumakaya. He knows the truth.
Oh my.
The man no be
mad ordinary mad now.
Aku is not a perfect man. Nobody is perfect. You stay with the comment. You know they're perfect. But only we choose that person. David in the Bible was not perfect. David the rugged. Annual joke. I chose you after my own heart. What did David name it? So you have no right to judge anybody. You have no right to judge Ogechi. Yeah, you don't have to defend it. You go and open a page. Let us see the skill you have in presenting. You think it's easy to present? Even myself, I don't go fit do am. I don't go fit do am. It is not an easy job to sit down and be presenting. It's not. You keep on on a live program 4 hours, 5 hours, and when you consistently on the shake, you don't believe me. It was not only that Ogechi defending it. Anything was about Christianity. Ogechi defending it.
Thank you.
Total. What about Zion itself? Anything about Christianity. And I go. No, because I'm not going to go. No, I need to go there before and divert here because of my content. Anyway, hey, nobody's relating to your age. I will go and realize today.
Hey, Gina Mezeno, I am Juro Doguna. I am Juro Dogu. I'm Juro Dogu.
See, you can hate your hate. Even though you are one day, everybody can not hate your gauge. If they go in Nabaha, they watch him, they see. He will never use because of you.
That is my follower.
Who looks beyond the physical? That's what you guys don't know.
That is my follower.
It's easy. Why won't you up her phone? Phone no way internet.
Yeah, one of them.
I'm telling you, he looks like someone I physical. He sees beyond what we see. That's why when I
and when he gave me my happy love for my dad, you remember video she Aliza chere video she Yawuru mam no a position today. Let me repeat it though. Yawuru ma walk no more. They say they go be. That Save we go be. Ebru the video. Let me hear the watch my around. Let me repeat it again. Yawuru ma no in a position today. I'm going to be a balance to be a wuro Ungana. Agamara the whole officer.
Oh my God, you see a man. Any other person can say, don't get you put
you have a problem. You have one news. No, I could be here before I can play outside and say, see you, look at the yoku. Let me repeat it again. Or to tell you how much I love it could be. Yawuroba we bubu who suffer could be in anything. I'm around the whole place.
Married
the woman. Yeah. Oh, you now. Nanda can do for free. Nanda can na park my toilet man anko. Magic himself when you love for Cabana Quino. Amado Hakubo Pano.
They can get bothered over nothing. Money behind it.
And I call it. But people with this part, Ebony Lawson, Epuyala mother.
Our mental issue. I'm telling you, these people in the people have a lot of.
I didn't say JPAC, but I'm saying that JPAC told me that Onyechi blessing Shana Wala go to land. Why JPAC, but I'm
not putting you on a program.
Thank you. Bondozo. JPAC is a Hapunaka. I shall Jawala Gapaheji Wurogene. I to Lagaladi. That's what JPAC told me. So when I was in Torino, This man say kwa again. Jammer again. When the program to my body and we're back. Because I know my party John. I must say, I'm poor. I'm like it. Me number. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Not them market man.
Oh, the mother the one.
I wrote them.
So I got more late. I'm not more getting maybe the program. But I listen on the recording. But I just want to say something because.
Ex-convict.
The different woman and women you want to go, but I just want to take my own advice on my own. Ebuko be on a bar. And I say Ebuko be na watch in him. Can also Ebuko be made. Go put on somewhere about the video now. Say na the sister and the father made and one Ebuko after na altar ya we be a home. Can also Ebuko be made. Go put on altar ya be a home na Ogechi so you go here. You channel here me. God that is crazy. God you want to Ebuko. Yeah, be a home. You were blogger like what I am a blogger. What are you going to do in Zion? Or that's join as a packet on Nigeria. Natural broke going on. Okay. Ogechi sister put her an discredit Ebuko be right? Nah, map. And when I did them put her here discredit Ebuko be. You see why Brenny and I are on. Ogechi sister put her an molest Ebuko be ne discredit here. Ebuko be put her and when I did them put her Ebuko be, you won your job. You may hunka. Apoyem na Ebuko be the best. Because they could not subdue me. They could not shut me up. The only alternative I'm right now is to tell Ebuko to shut me up. Continue. Because you Ebuko be na name na de game and then na phone make me say Ebuko be and then Ebuko be name na de homba. According to for us na because of ngowa ka ha ji na he so say na.
Bye bye. No bye bye.
Money be I tell you how do you that for Mando Omena?
Mando na wala Zion overnight.
Not knowing the mission of the Zion night. Now, mission Yakorako, Amafukwa. Dog was I and I even ask Abuna in number of legal or to hash our walk because I'm no good. If I was about replication more bread, we feel no way go uncle. Now you go because with the number of cash more bread, came to the do like a gazuri to another born of it. Then you don't have a government secret in the legal team. What the Andrea go politics now made almost that on the time in when the yaku because any music I got seen and what do you have and what do you have oh, as only somebody magoro secret in that and that's our roro. Let go okay, the Fuserama will king of the Salaka, king of the king that way up. Onanya, oh, make the way here. He had a Facebook or Jena, but a J2. Who knows if you go on Facebook? Anna Furana. Because you had to post on Facebook and can't woman remember. Because based on according to the preach, I'm a shaman. Or what's it? Or look at to that extent, Dogara. Let I go, Mana, that extent. Go to Kuwa. Now I'm with the king of the game now. I'm not king of fire. But all going to know the secret, and I'm out. Because you're not going to be able to now get book a bonus or that. Also, in any no name. Security. We can manage to again. I saw Naro.
JPAC, listen. JPAC is on 1 week. You need to make a dibia. Gabaya. JPAC because all your Gebuya. All your pa Gebuya. And when him pine when henariam, so nothing go permit me.
Sometimes on Doka, Hana, one OBA, like I go back on any now who deliver OBA.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And what about him? I go and look what you.
So, over here, all talents will go to but just for name to be on, I don't know what I have for. Then what you have to be.
Thank you.
Against you on the court, I'm not going to be online. I'm not going to you call your blog for this. Yes, you're not going to watch her. Those are bunding. You don't have against the book in an accusation. In Korea, I want to delegate him and the court of Kukemu. I want to have a G and go by Jude and Co. I am a support of that. Because I imagine I know what he is on the I said, better go to say on email. But what is on the war? One day at a time. Could you know like go and let you go? I will not only media team saying about war. You don't go down about war. If we are on a
so get you with Dyson, let him
my name ticket and when you make it, I will go off with the politics one up by it. I won't go to for a mission. I go enough for why. When I put away the Latin game, because I did go, and I could put the case in the number. You are not going to go online. I will not let in the Tina like a Nanduku last time. Go to for example. I'm not going to be clear. But I still do the red. I'm not going to feel the flag. And I have to now for you the Lembawa. Now,
my sister, relax. My sister, relax. Just relax. I pull it up because relax, young. Relax, young. You don't go to you very soon. You don't go to you very soon. Just relax. You know, like, I'm like degree. You don't go to you guys. And me chama play video ya fully. Because I can't wait. I gotta go to work. I got shower. I don't know hotel. I don't know shower. I'm down on and don't know be a patronized man with people, huh? So let me go and do the work. I need to build more because I'm showing you what I work on. To uncompleted hotel, uncompleted building, and Zuria. So, I show one with a different style they operate. Ebola had one new person. So, can make a show I can not channel by any even equal over in there. So, my idea, Ghana Hakwana patronize them. While there must be a house of Ashawuna. Mano, Ebola can look at Nana. On Galamiano. Future. On that note, I'll see you guys later. Until then, let's see how it will start. Bye.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section. If you haven't subscribed on this channel, please do subscribe on this channel and turn on the notification button. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.